Hi guys, welcome to another video. Market is regularly dumping. There's not much happening. Today is going to be very significant day. We are waiting for the Fed's new policy that is going to be dictating where the markets are going to head further. Upside likely, but right now we are dumping. There are divergences forming on the 4-hourly RSI and on the daily RSIs, but we haven't seen any bounce yet. We would like to see a bounce, and on greed and fear index we are on level 7. Hardly seen 7, 5, 6, 4. It would be something very new for everybody in this market to see fear and greed index going on to those levels. A lot of stuff going on in the market, so let's get into the details. We are dumping right now. We are holding some kind of support on the 4-hourly from $20,551. We have wick lower, and volume right now is largely just red. There's a lot of bearish volume. A lot of people are getting caught in the FUD and they are selling their bags. I know a few of my own friends who were like, man, this is it, we want to get out of this market, Bitcoin is just too volatile, I'd rather invest in something else. This is where all the weak hands are going to be giving their Bitcoin to the whales, and everybody who can hodl in this market, can take these dumps, are the people who usually like to see that big upsides and then big profits. So you have to be one of those people if you really want to enjoy these markets, make them big gains. But if you can't, then that's going to be very sad. We look into the lower level that I have made on the chart right now would be 17,537. I'm beginning to feel if we do continuously dump, we are likely to touch 2017 2018 highs. Those are the regions I had discussed in my previous videos. We hardly went there, that we might just go there and wick there, or might just even head lower than these levels. I prefer level to level markets. I wouldn't want to say, oh, Bitcoin is going to $3,000, oh, Bitcoin is going to $10,000. So we're going to see what's happening, and then we're going to be regularly posting you guys on YouTube and on my groups that what is likely going to be coming in this market. So overall, this looks very interesting. Right now we are making another lower low, so just have to be very cautious. But if you look into the RSI, we aren't really making a lower low here. Kind of looks like a bullish hidden divergence. So this is something that I was talking about, that on the 4-hourly we do have a divergence coming. If you look into the MACD, convergence is happening, and it does show long positions are opening on the market cipher. So interesting market cipher. The EMAs are calling us all the way to $25,112. Then there's a lot of levels for us to reach right now. We are going to probably wick and at least reach the first cipher, which is around $21,275. Just in that range, a lot is happening right now. I have to be very cautious. DXY a dump on the 4-hourly. That's very interesting. Two things I do want to watch out right now in the market is DXY and USDT's dominance. These are two things that could highlight or give us a guidance direction that the market is now beginning to build that bottom that everybody is waiting for. If we get into the USDT's dominance is still going higher and higher, another ATH after another ATH. So regularly carrying on that pattern is looking very bullish, but I am watching this on smaller time frames and higher time frames to look for that bottom, because once USDT's dominance start having a downfall, there's a likeliness that the market is going to have some kind of bounce coming into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now if we get into Bitcoin's dominance, saw a massive waterfall. A lot of people, like I said, are selling. All the weekends are giving away their Bitcoin bags. We can see that on Bitcoin's dominance. We want to see a quick upside coming, because that will signify us that the dominance is going to become into stable position. Market is going to get stable, altcoins are going to get stable, and Bitcoin dominance will increase. Right now there's no stability. I still feel like we are in Bitcoin dominance relationship cycle 2, where we're decreasing, and obviously everybody knows that altcoins are dumping very hard right now. So we want to have some kind of relationship continuing here, so we get more signs, more confirmations from these charts that now we're beginning to build that bottom that everybody is looking out for. Now we get into my famous Bitcoin and bullish and bearish chart. We have cross critical zone. Now the tunnel zone is gonna be coming very soon. That's where I feel like a lot of retail is just gonna snap out. Thanos is gonna snap his fingers, and everybody's gonna be leaving these markets. It's gonna be very interesting. Our SMA 50 lies at $31,175, and obviously upper band is not looking very realistic right now, which is at $41,868. If that does happen, that would be something absolutely amazing. We have seen that happening in a lot of dumps, a V-shaped recovery where the market dumps quickly from one direction, then pumps up quickly from another direction, creating a V-shape if that would happen or not, only time is going to tell us what's coming next. If we get into Ethereum's bullish and bearish chart, critical level is done. Actually, we're getting very close to the Thanos zone. Our lower band right now is at $938. We are trading around $100, right above that, around $1,000.64. So looks very interesting. A lot of stuff is happening right now. Just got to be very cautious. Don't get caught in that far. That's the reason I told you guys, at least close 70 to 50% of your contract positions if you were shorting this market on my trades. So at least if we do have a quick upside, you have made some kind of gains on this dump. And if the market does dump, which it is right now, we'll still make more gains. So that's very important to play safe, not just predict and speculate the market. Look at the charts and then trade according to the candle patterns. Now we get into the data, which is very important. Yesterday we had producer price inflation. Today we're going to be having retail sales, and most importantly, Fed policy decision. This is the next 12 hours, 24 hours are going to be very crucial in this market. Thursday we're going to be having jobless claims. Sometimes the statistics do dump the market, sometimes they don't, so have to watch out for that. Industrial production is on Friday. That could also pump or dump this market. If we get into another news, which is Fed likely to hike interest rates by 3/4 of a point this week, which means 0.75 BPS, looks very likely. The way things are going about doesn't look good. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, economists now see Fed hiking 75 BPS this week. So just have to be very cautious. The next 12 hours, 24 hours are going to be very important. Like I said, dollar holds near 20-year high as traders brace for Fed to go large. 0.75 very likely. Now let's look at the altcoins. Look at the bubbles. All the bubbles on the daily are just red. 10%, 12%, 11%. Everything is dumping very hard right now. We even look into FTM, layer ones aren't doing very well, reaching kind of my target, which was around 0.2. So looks very interesting. A lot of dump is happening right now on the altcoins. Let's just check them out on the hourly. So we get into the hourly, we are having that quick bounce. That is very good. We want to have lower highs being made and then dump further. So looks okay for now, but I wouldn't ape into all of this right now because I want to get into all the altcoins when the market goes stable, when Bitcoin goes stable. That's where we should get into altcoins and not rush right now, because that's very important. Let's get into the big data on Gate.io. Extreme fear levels 7. Yesterday we were at 8. So I just said it would be very interesting to see if we do go to 5, 6, 4. I have hardly seen those levels. If they do come, would be very interesting. If we look into long and short ratio, global data, 53.71% people in long positions in 24 hours. In block trades, 51.12% people in long positions. A lot of longs on the hourly, 69.41% on 1 hour in the block trades. Look very interesting. I do hope that dump doesn't make all these people liquidated, because there's a lot of noise in the market. The 20,000, 21,000 range is going to be where the bottom is made. So funding rates look very bearish right now on both of them. A quick upside can make it positive. Market sentiment is neutral for ETH and BTC. If we get into our new listed coins, Lunch DAO is up about 571%. Like I always say, that coins that are newly listed are in startup are always going to have a quick upside. This is your chance to ape into these coins and make quick upside despite being in a bear market. This is where you're going to make some good money. Joystick token, we did ape into this one, is having another quick upside of 148%. So I do hope all of you guys never sold all your bags and kept some for these nice pumps to be coming later on in these coins, because any of these coins can pump anytime in the market and make you guys some big gains, especially in this bear market. Makes it very interesting. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be back in here soon. Take care, guys. Don't get caught in this fart.